Starting air system of marine diesel engine explained. This is the line diagram of a main engine starting air system. It consists of starting air bottles, a pilot valve, a turning gear interlock, an automatic air start valve, an air distributor, and cylinder head starting air valves. When the main air bottle valve is opened, compressed air flows through the pilot valve and acts on top of the automatic air start valve, providing positive closing pressure. Another branch of air passes through the turning gear interlock, which prevents air from reaching the engine when the turning gear is engaged. Therefore, the turning gear must first be disengaged. Once disengaged, the interlock releases and air becomes available up to the automatic air start valve. However, due to spring pressure and the positive closing air from the pilot valve, the air cannot pass further until the start command is given. When the air start lever is operated from the engine control room, the pilot valve shifts and blocks the air supply above the automatic start valve. This vents the line, removing the positive closing pressure. The air then overcomes the spring force, opens the automatic air start valve, and closes the vent. Starting air is now supplied to the cylinder head, starting air valve manifold, and the air distributor. The distributor operates according to the camshaft profile. As each distributor valve opens, air is directed to the corresponding cylinder head starting air valve. This sequence follows the engine firing order, allowing compressed air to enter each cylinder and rotate the engine for starting.